Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the Radius Max tutorial. Welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Today we are dealing with the move, rotate and scale tools in Radius Max. These tools are called, this is the tool of select and move. This is the tool of select and rotate. This is the tool for select and scale or uniform scale. We can choose this option. This is now it is activated as a select option is activated here. Thus we can select this car, and we are choosing the move option, and we can see an axis. A set of 3 axes is shown. That is x direction, Z direction and Y direction. That seems that we can move in these 3 axes, like just click in the X axis and we can move it in the X axis. When clicking in the Y axis, we can move it in the Y axis also, like in the Z axis. This is the use of the move tool in Radius Max. Or we can choose by clicking the square and moving it to any of the mixed direction. We can do this move operation in different viewports, like selecting it and move tool is activated, and we can move it like this or like this. We can move it in these 3 axes or the mixed axes by clicking the square. This is all about the move tool. Then we can choose the rotate tool. Just clicking the rotate tool, we can see the rotate axis, that is also X, Z and Y. We can rotate in X axis, we can rotate in Z axis, we can rotate it in Y axis. That is, just click it and rotate. We can choose the angle in this area: X axis angle, Y axis angle, Z axis angle. Or we can rotate like using these 3 axes. This is all about the rotate tool. We can use also, this tool is used in 4 different viewports. And we can see the next tool is select and uniform scale. We can choose the select scale, and we can see there are also 3 axes. For uniform scaling, we choose this triangular area and click it. We can see that it is uniformly scaled. Then we can choose this portion or this portion or this portion. This is the mix of the Z and X axis. This is the mix of Z and the Y axis. That means the changes is only in the Z and Y direction. We can see that, but this curve shape will be distorted when we using this type of scaling. Just changes is in only the 2 direction. We can see the width is down changing, descent changing. It's only the scaling is done in only 2 direction. For uniform scale, we just click the triangle and drag out and in. Then we can see in the other viewports, just use the top viewport, clicking it, and we are scaling it. Let's give it a realistic view, and we are scaling in the X direction. Then the X value of the car is changed. If we change the Y direction, its Y value will be changed. Also, it is like in the z-axis too. This is all about the scaling. And there is some more tools, some more factors which we have to know about the move, rotate and scale option. That is, there is shortcuts for these three tools. When we click the Q button the keyboard, we can activate the selection object. When we click the W, the move tool is activated. When we click the E in the keyboard, the rotate option is activated, and when we click the R, we can see the scale is activated. This is the shortcut for these four tools: select, move, rotate and scale. Then we can see some more interesting factors in 3ds Max. When we selected the object and we just click or activate the move option, and by choosing the shift key or clicking the shift key and without taking hand, we can move in any direction or any axis, and we can produce the exact copy or instance or reference or different number of copies like this. Just select once more, we have to just select the object and we have to click, and don't remove the finger from the shift key, and just use any of the axes and we can move it, and then in the direction of the selected axis we could get a copy or instance or reference of the object. Thus we get two similar cars by using the move tool. Also we can use these all tools by clicking the shift to take copies. This is all about the select, move, rotate and scale tools in 3ds Max. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Good morning everybody. Today we are